Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like I haven't filmed in weeks. I had filmed 2 videos and then I got sick. I'm still not 100% recovered, but at least I have my voice back. It was gone for a whole week and I couldn't do anything. Right now, I just have a slight cough that comes out when I talk too much. I'm about to have a coughing fit right now, actually. I managed to pull through for this tutorial. I'm testing a ton of new products. I couldn't wait to just throw it all on my face. You know, when you've been sick for so long and you just want to wear your makeup, if you're a makeup lover like me, I just wanted to do a full face, full on, full glam, and that's what I did today. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just stay tuned. Starting out by priming my face with the e.l.f. Booster Drops and the Pop Beauty Zero Shine Primer, just in my T-zone to mattify that area. Then I'm going in with a new foundation. Both those products were new as well. I just wanted time for it to sit in my skin before I go in with my new foundation. And here I have the Kiss New York Professional Pro Touch Liquid Foundation. I have 2 shades. I have a soft tan and natural beige. I had no idea that Kiss had makeup, so this is really exciting. This foundation only comes in, I think, 6 or 8 shades, so the range is quite poor on this. If this happens to be any good, I hope they come out with more shades. So I'm just going to take a pump of each and mix them together on the back of my hand. This is supposed to be a medium buildable to full coverage. So the foundation color is going to be good. I just look really red when I'm up close, but that's not the color of my skin. So I'm not sure why it always does that. I need some like light under here so it doesn't look discolored. It's going on really nicely, and I'd say it is a medium coverage. So I'm just going to build it up and see how it builds. I love the packaging of this. It's pretty simple, has a nice pump. The foundation match could be better. Shouldn't have to mix 2 shades, but there is a very, very limited range, unfortunately. They also have a concealer for under eye specifically. Dark under eye concealer from Kiss as well. It has one of those sponge applicators. I have the shade Classic Ivory here. I think I might have put a different one in there. We'll see how light this is. I actually like that color. So we're going to use Classic Ivory under the eyes. Really nice color. Might be a little on the light side, but I like a bright under eye, and I'm going super glam today because it's right in my throat. I have been sick. My kids were sick as well, them more so than me. Both of them ended up getting croup. So that is why I've only had about 1 video a week. I had to kind of spread out the ones that I did film because we got hit hard. December is just not our month, apparently, because last year it was fairly similar what happened. Not croup. This was really bad for my kids. I was looking on my Apple Watch to see how much time I've been sleeping, and I think I average 4 hours a night for the past few weeks. I prefer 7 hours of sleep, so I have not had that much sleep. It's probably why I can't get better. But I'm on the mend, and thankfully I have my voice, because before I didn't have my voice for a whole week. Every time I talk, I get sent into a coughing fit, which I feel slightly right now. I still feel okay, I just don't sound the best. This concealer is beautiful. I love how that looks. I like how it looks with the foundation too. I'm just going to finish my cream products first. We have the Kiss New York Professional Highlighter Sticks, and I have 2 shades here. I'm going to swatch them both. I'm not sure what I want to do. I believe that's the lighter of the 2, and Rose Pearl. And then we have Halo Pearl, or maybe that's the darker one. Yeah, that's the darker one. Halo Pearl beside it. I'm going to go with Rose Pearl just because I do have a slight bit of tan. And I'm just going to use my finger, I guess. This is very natural looking on the skin. I'm going to be layering a powder highlighter on top. if you were just doing a natural cream look, it goes on really nicely. It doesn't take off the makeup either. I feel like the formula works really nicely together. Now I'm going to set my face with the Kiss New York Professional Pro Touch Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm using Soft Tan in this. This I'm just going to set my whole face with. I might use something else to set my under eye. I don't think I have a new loose powder, so I will see how this goes. And the powder is really nice too. It has a sponge and mirror in it. And I'm just using a Morphe sponge. I got this during the Sephora VIB sale. It's the one that I think everyone uses. It has that nice clean edge on it. So I'm just gonna take a bit of that powder. I'm about to cough. And just set my under eye. So far everything looks really, really nice. This does provide a little bit of coverage too. I noticed when just putting it on my skin. Once I'm done my base, I like to skip ahead and go to my eyes. So today we're going to be using the Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. And as soon as I saw this, I couldn't wait to use it. All those glitter shades just caught my eye, and I really want to use the gold. I'm going to bring you guys in closer. I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows, and then we're going to work on the eyes. Taking the shade It's Designer, just going to put that all over my lid space. And then for my transition, I'm going to take It's Cashmere on that same brush. This is a Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease. We're just going to put it into the crease of the eye, a little bit above my natural crease because I want to create the illusion of more lid space. And then I'm taking Oh That's Rich and then just putting that lower in my crease. Sorry if I'm talking weird, but I'm on the verge of a coughing fit again. And these are nice and pigmented and blending out effortlessly. Using my P. Louise base and a MAC 212, I'm just going to cut my crease. It doesn't matter that this is all messy down there because we are going to cover it up. Now taking Fluent in Diamonds. Can't wait to try this out. I hear with these, you don't need a base for them. They have a built-in technology that adheres to the eye. And it's not picking up with this brush, so I'm gonna try a little bit of Fix Plus. Much better with Fix Plus. Just waiting for that lid to dry. I don't see it transferring at all, which is really good. I'm gonna use Kohl Under Pressure and a pencil brush, and I wanna do it nice and smoky on the outer corner. This does have some glitter in it, and just using that shadow shield as a guide, I'm going to do a wing using eyeshadow. And the glitter is actually showing up. It's really pretty. I'm going to further smoke that liner out a bit more, but I just want to use a pen closer to the lash line just to provide a little bit more definition. For my lashes, I'm using this new mascara from Maybelline. It's called the Snapscara. Haven't heard anyone talk about this yet. And I have the shade Black Cherry. They do have this in pitch black and a blue. I thought the cherry would be really pretty for this look. So we have a natural bristle brush, kind of looks like a leaning tree. And this is going to have a little bit of red in it, which will complement the shadow, my eye color, and I'm also going to load up on this on the lower lashes because it's not going to make too much difference on my uppers because I will be using falsies. First coat, it didn't do too much. So let's try some more. I can't really say that I like this style of brush off the hop. I have two new styles of lashes. I wasn't sure how dramatic I wanted it to be. Both of them are fairly dramatic. We have Opulence, and then we have the Faux Mink in Midnight. I think I'm gonna go for Opulence. I'll try this on, and if it doesn't look good, then I'll switch, but I just want full-on drama. Bigger the lashes, most amount of makeup. I just want to do it all today. Taking my two crease colors, it's Cashmere and Oh That's Rich. I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm just going to use that Snapscara on my lower lashes. And it's a little bit of a wetter formula, so I think maybe after this dries a bit, and if it had a different brush, I'd really like it. I like the color. I really wanted a light gold in the waterline. This is all I could find. It's in Starlight Gold from Maybelline. For bronzer, I have a new powder. I want to try it's from NARS, and it's not a bronzer, it's just a pressed powder. And I have it in a deeper shade. It is in Heat, and this is their Soft Velvet Pressed Powder. I thought this would make a really nice bronzer. A lot of times when you find a really nice powder product, if you get in a little bit of a deeper shade compared to your skin tone, it'll look really natural as a bronzer, so that's what I'm hoping for with this. And this kind of has that terracotta undertone, so I feel like it pulls all the eye colors together as well. I think it's a nice choice for this look. Just using a little bit of translucent powder, I'm going to clean up underneath that bronzer using this sharp edge of the sponge. Taking my Pop Beauty Contour 101 palette, I'm just going to use the Sculpt shade in this to contour my nose. I used this in a video, so it's not new, but it is definitely a newer product, just not new to my channel. I really like this. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this new product from Pixi, and it is their Pixi Glow Cake Gilded Bare Glow. They have another shade that's more pink, but I felt this one would be more suited to this look. And I'm just going to mainly stick to the center, but I'm going to kind of swirl it everywhere-ish. It's going to give a nice glowy cheek. I'll just dust that away. Then for highlight today, I'm going to use this limited edition highlighter from Lancome, and it looks like a rose. So cute. And I have tried this, and it's a little more subtle for me, so I think I'm going to use something else on top. It's pretty, but I want something with a little bit more impact. This might still be very impactful for most people, but I just want something a little bit more metallic. So we're gonna start off with this. And it makes a nice nose highlight. So we'll probably just keep it like that for the nose. And then I purchased the Amrezy highlighter, which is nice and intense. I love how this looks. So we're just going to load up on this. So you can see this cheek, how it has that beautiful glow, especially back here. You can just notice the difference compared to this one. It still has that glow, but we want to take it to that next level. To finish off the look, I'm going to use MAC Lip Pencil in Hover. This isn't new, but I didn't have a new lip pencil. I do have a new lip combo though. It's really pretty. Line the lips. Then for lipstick, I'm using it from the MAC Holiday Collection, and it is in Babe Town. It is a cream sheen lipstick. Beautiful color. And this has a beautiful finish, but I want to make it a little bit more bronzy and pull it in with this gloss from Too Faced. And I love the glosses from this collection. I tried the one that's in collaboration with Jordan Woods, and that one felt a little gritty, but I've tried 2 others and I didn't have that same issue, so I'm not sure if it was just that particular gloss, but these ones have been really nice. So this is the bronze one, and it's in Pretty Penny. So I'm just going to layer this on top. I saw this at the bottom of my bag that I was going to use this, and I almost forgot. So we're going to use this MAC Dazzle liner from their holiday collection. It looks like this, and it is in holiday time with an exclamation point. Holiday time! And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my lower lash line in the inner corner. That was something really simple and subtle, but I love how it looks. And typically I set my face with a setting spray, but I kind of want to see how this foundation performs throughout the day. So I'll update you guys in the description box on how I like everything. But that is going to be it. I'm going to finish off my hair, get dressed, come back, and I'll give you my final thoughts about everything. This is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as well as my first impressions on all these new products. Tons of things out right now from the drugstore and high-end that I think worth checking out. I was really impressed by the complexion products from Kiss. Specifically, the concealer was my favorite. The foundation's really nice, but they have a very limited shade range. The powder was nice. The highlighter sticks were good, but didn't blow me away. I really love the Amrezy highlighter. It's super blinding, and I'm so happy I picked it up this time around because I never got my hands on it the first time. The new Too Faced products, the eyeshadow palette was super easy to work with. Virtually blended itself. The lip glosses, absolutely love. And another standout product for me is the NARS pressed powder. I love that for all over the face, but I tried out a deeper color as a bronzer, which I love to do for pressed powder formulas that I like. And I really like the color of this one. I think it tied in perfectly with the warm red tones of this look. I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the day how my face holds up because I didn't set it at all. I want to see how it performed. I didn't even use a Fix Plus or anything to melt everything together. I don't even feel like I look powdery at all, which is awesome. So hopefully this holds up and is long wearing because then we have a new winner from the drugstore because I really, really like it so far. And that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of these videos continued into 2019, let me know, and I'll definitely set aside products for more of these first impression tutorials in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video.